Hey, we're Hayley and Jake. Over the past few months, we've been converting our Promaster into a tiny home on wheels in BC. We're taking a break from our build to travel back to our home in Saskatoon. On the way, we're taking the scenic route so we can explore more of our beautiful country. In our last video, we toured vineyards in the Okanagan Valley. Since then, we've driven north through the beautiful BC forest, heading towards Jasper National Park, where we will begin our journey along the famous Icefields Parkway. Oh, what a backdrop! Oh look, we have a neighbor. Oh yeah, this is great. We had a really long driving day. It's starting to get dark outside, and we're seeing a lot more wildlife on the road. So we've pulled over in a rest stop.
This was actually our destination for the day. We planned to come here.
Yeah, so we reached our destination, the Mount Terry Fox rest stop. Yeah.
It's about 100 kilometers out of Jasper, and it should be perfect.
The next morning, we woke up early and crossed the border into Alberta. When we reached Jasper National Park, we were greeted at the entrance by the local welcome committee.
So the road we're driving on is called the Icefields Parkway. It's about 250 kilometer stretch of road linking Jasper and Lake Louise in the Canadian Rockies. It actually goes along the Great Divide. So you're going on the very height of the Rockies where the rivers change from going east to west. So there's actually one spot here where ice melting from this glacier goes to the Atlantic, Pacific, and the Arctic in one spot.
That's super cool.
And it's called the Icefields Parkway because there's icefield glaciers along the way. So there's the Athabasca, the Columbia Icefield, and I believe the Saskatchewan Icefields, at least. And that's what gives this drive its name, and it is one of the most stunning in the world.
Can confirm, this is beautiful.
We made our first stop along the Icefields Parkway. We're doing the Valley of the Five Lakes hike. It's about a 5K hike. We're about halfway in it, and we're just about to get to all of the lakes.
Is there a squirrel? Yep, there it is. Don't you dare. Finley. Finley, look at this lake coming up. I don't think I've ever seen water this blue before.
No, this is a start. That's cold. Not like ice cold, but it's cold.
You don't want to take a dip?
I would if you would.
Let's see if the next lake will top that one. Yeah, 4 more. No, 7? How many lakes are there? 5. Yeah, 4 more. It's like neon over here. That is so cool. Isn't that cool, Finley? Yeah, Mom, it's super cool.
Part of it's radioactive.
I hope it's not radioactive. Oh, and then over there, now that you can see it with the light hitting it. So pretty. we're gonna have a quick snack and then we're gonna hit the road and continue driving the Icefields Parkway.
This is about where we are, at about 1,600 meters of elevation. This is Jasper, about 1,200. This is where we're going. We're going to be about 2,000 meters of elevation. We're about to go up an enormous hill.
How freaking beautiful is that? It's a swirling pothole is what it's called. So over the past like couple thousand years, you can see all of the strata where it slowly carved its way down, and now it's just spinning around down there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, Finnley, isn't it?
Look at the color of this water. It's so pretty.
Hayley, that water that just hit your face would have hit the Arctic Ocean if you hadn't stopped it. How does it make you feel?
I'm so sorry, Canada.
So this walkway, it used to be the river that carved it, but then it switched paths. And so now we have this nice little walking path. This way? Continue the tour. Yeah, I was accidentally filming your butt. Oh, people are rafting. You can actually raft here. So they don't go down the waterfall. Nice. Oh, that looks like a good time.
Especially today.
So this is one of those potholes, but since the water changed direction, it's no longer a pothole, it's an old one. So it's just kind of hanging out here now.
You can see the shape of the water.
Yeah.
I think it came up here.
Nature is so cool.
Me too, Hayley.
How many wows do you have to give today?
This has been a 10 out of 10 wow. The first hike was like a 7 out of 10 wow, and the drive has also been a 10 out of 10 wow. So that's 27 out of 10 wow so far.
Wow.
Wow, 28.
Wow. Hopefully it's not too muffled. We've been wearing our masks most of the time.
Well, Athabasca Falls. Amazing and a bit crowded.
A little bit.
We've been using Finnley to social distance. His leash is 6 feet long. If you're complaining about my dog, you're too close.
Look at that van. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's nice.
That's
Made another pit stop and holy guacamole! Look at this, like a big canyon. Oh, there's waterfalls over there. Holy guacamole! This place is stunning.
Let's see what's down that way.
Let's go. Come on, Finney. Are you enjoying your private walking trail?
This is beautiful. We thought this was just a lookout, so we left our bear spray and all of our supplies in the car. Probably not the best move. There's also no cell signal in this entire park, so I have a
Oh
satellite
god,
phone.
there's something above us. Oh, look at the trees.
Wind.
Are you sure? That was weird.
That was weird, but yes, I'm sure. scared the crap out of me. Look, it's all of them are swaying. It's wind.
Okay.
2 trees hit each other. Holy shit, you scared the crap out of me. I'm sure because all of the trees are swaying.
Being like one of the first pioneers, crossing the prairies and then hitting this.
Okay, I'm going back to Ireland.
I'm taking so many videos. We've decided we're coming back and we're driving in the opposite direction because it's just so pretty.
This is one of the top most stunning drives I've seen in my life.
Yeah.
And I think it's one of the best drives in the world. Like, it's rated really highly.
It has to be. It's beautiful. I would not want to drive this in winter.
Oh fuck no. Holy fuck, look at that glacier.
Ooh, what we're looking at right now. This is so pretty. Actually, do you know which one that is?
I have no idea.
We have no idea which glacier that is, but it's definitely one of them. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. My golly, look at that. Going over to a viewpoint right now. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Some crack in here.
Wow. We're just gonna have a snack here. Enjoy the view. This view.
Yep. Except now we're facing the wrong direction, but you know.
I can see it in the lens.
Filming, yeah.
This one. Jace. Holy guacamole.
Somebody send us emergency guacamole.
This drive is insane. Insane. Love it. Every second of it.
Actually,
wow. Sorry.
I think we can't be doing this.
Really? We're camping by this? Oh my goodness. I have no more words left in my vocabulary to describe what I'm looking at right now. This is just amazing. Beautiful. How would you describe what you're looking at?
Breathtaking, Nana. Breathtaking.
Yes. Let's go. This is so cool. We're walking up to the Athabasca Glacier. Ooh. Come on, dog. Let's go. Oh, you're scared of the grading. That's what it is. Come on, Finnley. You got this. You got this, buddy. You're doing so well. This is how Finnley walks on the grading. This is so cool.
Yeah. It's a little windy.
A little bit. I'm glad I packed the heated jacket.
Well, I don't think we're going to be able to top this, so we'll see you next time.
We're heading back to our campsite.
Bye.
Bye.
We drove across the street and spent the night parked at the visitor center. Our van conversion is nowhere near finished, so we had to cook outside. But we did get to enjoy this amazing view, so we really can't complain. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.
Wow. Wow.
You sound like a sheep.
Wow. Wow. Have you seen that turtle that sounds like one mostly doing well?
No.